No, it is not only about CUT. It's overall improvement, overall agenda of the government to improve the institutions in the state. It is not only about the CUT. It's a more than that, right? So therefore, no, I think many colleges has given their consent to applied for affiliation in the state. I mean, university number is not with me, but the process is going on and yet to be completed soon with due process. A certain formality has to be done from the state university side. I think the process is on. So it is not only about CUT. Yes, definitely those as per the ministry instruction, those affiliated institution students, they will have to go through the CUT. But CUT is not the issue at the moment. I don't see any issue reason, because why? The center is also in the state. So we are all our students. I'm full confident in our students' capability to in appearing in the CUT examination. They will clear easily, and all they will be writing the CUT examination. They can clear easily, I'm sure.
But how many colleges? How many colleges are actually has not affiliated themselves with state university?
No, out of 79 or 75 total number of colleges, about 22 they have agreed to affiliate with the state university. The formality is on, but the minus, there will about 50 plus still with the NEHU. So they will take a call. But however, CUT is not the big issue for today. Of course, it may be the issue for yesterday because there was no center, and we. So, but the course, our students are well prepared to face, I mean, to appear for the CUT exam. So I don't see any problem as of now today. So if problem arise, government will decide accordingly. We'll find a way to support to bring comfort to our students. That's all.
So students studying in these around 22 colleges, as you have mentioned, so they need not appear for CUT.
No, if not only 22, for all those institutions who will be and who have affiliated, will be affiliating in the state university, yes, definitely they will not need anymore to write for CUT for admission in the college, which will be affiliating the courses to the state university. That is clear. But those continue to be in the NEHU. So yes, they will have to, I think as per the ministry, unless it is amended, it is changed. So they have to continue with the CUT process.